Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So, I'm here with the stock which has posted very good Q4 results in last week. I will discuss its fundamental and buying level also for the long term along with the Q4 results. So, to know the name of the stock and the buying level, stay connected till then and smash the like button now and subscribe the channel for index levels update, weekly update, and the stock which are posting good Q4 results, their buying level and fundamental for the long term. So let's start the video with the name of the stock. In last week, this stock has posted Q4 results, is Q4 results, and which was actually good. I have selected this stock among 3 4 stocks which were on the same level, posted good Q4 results also. But I have selected this stock because this was the best stock to invest in present current situation, and the stock name is Zensar Tech. Yes, I'm talking about Zensar Tech, which is really a small cap company. Yes, this is true. This is a small cap company growing, and this is the stock from the IT sector. I have taken three, four more stock for the comparison, which was actually Birlasoft, Science, and this Sartec and OFSS. So, but this stock is available on very good valuation, which was the main fundamental reason I have selected this stock. First, let me discuss the Q4, then I will go on the detail of the fundamental of this stock. So let's start the Q4 results. This stock Zensar Tech, which is from IT sector, posted. This is IT company actually. They posted the net profit in this year is 173.3 crore versus last year it was 119.2 crore. Means 119 से 173 तक पहुंच गया है, which is actually around 45% increase. Now revenue is almost equal. It is actually has become 1230, around 1230 crore from the last year, which was 1212, means 1212 crore, means 1212 crore से बस नॉमिनल सा रेवेन्यू इंक्रीज हुआ है. इट्स ओके. EBITDA is up by 15.5%, means it was last year's 175.8 crore, which has become now 203 crore. So 15.5% is also a good increase. Main चीज जो I always discuss, which is margin has become 16.5% from the 14.5% Y on Y. So 14.5% से 16.5% का margin increase हुआ है, which is good news for the stock. And one more important thing, the board recommends final dividend of rupees 7 per share. Means rupees 7 per share final dividend from the company to its shareholder. So this was a short picture of the Q4 result. You can go through to the company site and check the overall results of the company. You can go through in detail. So this was actually quite good result, but the company is very good to discuss its fundamental. I'm actually keeping the comparison of these all IT stock. You can see why I have selected this stock. See, the trading price of this stock is 613 only, means it's actually not very expensive stock. But main thing you can see, P is 21, around 21 we can say, which is I think lowest in these stocks. Lowest. I have actually taken some more stocks also, which I can't show here, but I have selected. I have checked with the Birlasoft, Scient ये है, and KPIT Tech, and one, two, three more stock. So this stock actually at available at very good P, which is 21, and which is actually undervalued, I can say, क्योंकि which is actually around its median P also. So इंडस्ट्रियल पी से भी कम है एंड मीडियन पी के भी आसपास है, तो दिस स्टॉक इज एक्चुअली this stock is actually available on very good valuation, and this is the main reason to select this Zensar Tech for the discussion. Market cap, yes, I already discussed. I already said that this is a small cap company. The market cap is only 13,900 around. 13,900 के अराउंड ही इसका मार्केट कैप है, जो कि बहुत छोटा है अभी इन सारी कंपनियों के कंपैरिजन में. Dividend yield is quite okay, not actually not very good, I will say, but yes, dividend yield is also okay. And quarter sale, quarter profit, you can see quarter profit is very good. Or ROC, if we go to ROC, you can see 25.63%. ROC is 25.63% and ROE is 20.34%. So both the ROC and ROC both are very good. And EPS is 29 and the pledge share कोई भी नहीं है, no pledge share. Debt to equity, yes, debt to equity, I forgot to discuss, yes, debt to equity is 0.05, which is actually negligible. और as a IT sector, they actually उनके पास debt बहुत कम ही रहता है, इनका काम debt पे तो नहीं होता है, तो 0.05 is negligible, I will say. And pledge share, no pledge share, and cash flow is good. So overall, you can select any other stock also, that is your wish. I have selected this stock because of I find it is available on good valuation. But yes, Cyient is also at a very good valuation, and OFS also. So I have to take one stock to discuss, so I have taken this. You can go through other stock detail also. So this was overall fundamental. In short, which I find the company's fundamental is very good. Now let's discuss the buying level for the long term. So I have come to the chart, and one more reason ये buying level पे भी ये available है, बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब फॉल भी नहीं हो रहा है और बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव भी अभी नहीं दिख रहा है. I will not say it is positive. I am only discussing if this is stock coming to that buying level. You can check those levels, and you can keep this stock in your watch list so that you can study this stock before it's reaching to its buying level, so that you can enter. So this stock is making I can say C&H pattern, cup and handle pattern, and if we see, it is facing resistance many time here. See here, 645 is a strong resistance this stock is facing. 1, 2, 3 and 4 again. Here the sellers are powerful and they are not allowing this stock to go up, and they are selling this stock here. This resistance is very important, which is 645 around. So we have to wait and watch to see when this stock is going to break this level. It is very important. It should, whenever it's breaking this level 650, then this stock will not stop here. So you can keep this stock in your watch list to watch this level. And the support, if you see, the very good support I am finding here, which is 550, 560, 560 around. Or after that, if it's breaking this level, it will reach to its 50 EMA and 50 week EMA, which is 520 or 510 around. सो 510 टू 500 के अराउंड इसका एक लास्ट एक लेवल आ सकता है अगर ये बहुत ज़्यादा फॉल करता है तो, बट आई डोंट फील कि नाउ इट्स गोइंग, बिकॉज आईटी सेक्टर का भी कंसोलिडेशन चल रहा है, तो इट मे come to this level again. जैसे earlier it was here in October 23 around, so but अभी if it's coming here, that's very good, very well, but if it's not coming 510, so the 550 level is also very very good for this stock to accumulate for the long term, for the target of 900, even more than that. एज IT स्टॉक जब भागना शुरू करते हैं तो दे डोंट स्टॉप, बट यस हाँ, दिस टाइम दे आर not doing very well, they are not performing, but of course the period comes when they start performing, so we should wait and watch. But if someone want to invest in this stock, this 650 resistance is very important to break for the strength in this stock, but before that you can accumulate here. So as I said, अभी breakout नहीं हुआ है, no breakout till now, we have to wait for the breakout after 650. Buying level for the Zensar Tech for the long term from 510 to 550, and after breaking 650 the target is 900, even more than that. So this was the short information, short analysis of the Zensar Tech. I have discussed the Angel One and I have discussed the Angel One and Axis Bank also for the long-term investment. I will give the video in I button and I will give in the end screen also. You can go through the stock and study the stock for your long-term investment. So if you have any query regarding any stock or index or Nifty levels, you can comment me in a comment box and DM me also on the Instagram and on the Twitter. ID is on your screen, and subscribe the channel for the regular update of the Nifty and stocks buying level for the long term. Signing off.